Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Photoshop to create brand watermark versions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Select the image that you want to edit. Go to the File menu and choose Open. Locate your image file and click Open again. Once your image is loaded, create a new layer by clicking on the Layer menu. Select New and then choose Layer. Name your new layer something recognizable, like Watermark. Click OK to create the layer. Select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Click anywhere on your canvas to begin typing your watermark text. Type your brand name or desired watermark phrase. Use the options in the top toolbar to customize the font, size, and color. Position the text where you want the watermark to appear. To make sure it's noticeable, consider lowering the opacity. Go to the Layers panel and find your text layer. Adjust the opacity slider to around 50% or to your preference. If you want to add effects, click on the FX icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Choose Drop Shadow for added depth. Adjust the settings for angle, distance, spread, and size to enhance visibility. Once satisfied with your watermark, save your work. Go to File and select Save As. Choose the format you want, such as JPEG or PNG. Name your file accordingly and select your save location. Click Save and adjust any final settings in the dialog box. Now you've created a brand watermark for your images using Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.